Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Princeton, local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring inept and inefficient long-distance movers is the last thing you should worry about. Thus, 3 Movers is the ideal choice for Princeton Moving Services. We've earned a reputation for excellence, dependability, and promptness, and you may rest assured that we will never let you down with our 100% customer support guarantee. Because we value our clients and their possessions so highly, we hire the most dedicated and trusted drivers to transport their belongings to new locations in immaculate shape. Desire to relocate within a 50-mile radius of your current house due to new work opportunity? Recruit the assistance of 3 Movers. Our locals in Princeton will assist you with completing the relocation with the least amount of stress and inconvenience. We'll also handle the work and make certain your goods arrive safely at their new home. For local moves, we offer defined service hours and local moving professionals that are capable of handling heirlooms, big furniture, and other specialty items such as pianos. Contact us now to schedule your local Princeton transfer. We provide affordable and family-friendly local moving services in Princeton with typical hourly rates between $30 and $40. Whether you're relocating to a bustling area or a tranquil one, we have committed and licensed movers to assist you. Apart from moving your belongings, we can also assist you in planning your move and suggest the best possible methods to assist you in making the best decisions. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Princeton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.